Now we will study about the ethics and the social responsibility of an entrepreneur. See, entrepreneur must establish a balance between the ethical, economic and social responsibilities. So, a manager's attitude concerning corporate responsibility tend to be supportive for the laws and professional code of ethics. It has a few reference person, role model, and developed internal ethics codes. Up, these entrepreneurs are particularly sensitive to peer pressure and social norms in the community as well as pressure from the competitors. And individualization managers have more individualistic and has less communitarian values than the manager in the European countries. So ethics is something our inner values or our moral values. So there we are studying about the opportunities of entrepreneur in Indian aptitude. So the first is the tourism. See, the tourism is becoming an industry, is booming industry in India. There are many so much heritage in India, many so much things in India that has a beauty, natural beauty. So number of domestic and international tourists are rising everywhere. So this is the hot sector entrepreneur that must focus on. The second one is the automobile industry. So India is a hotspot for automobile and auto components. So a strong sales have made in India as second fastest growing market after China. So India being one of the world's largest manufacturer of small cars with strong engineering base and expertise, there are many segments that entrepreneur can focus in India automobile and auto component sector. The next one is the textile. India is famous for textile and each state has a unique style in terms of appraisal. So India can grow a preferred location for manufacturing textiles, taking in account as there is a huge demand for the garments. Social ventures. Social ventures is taking up a social entrepreneurship, helping the less privileged like NGO, Helpage India. So social ventures are many for those uh, have succeeded in the social ventures are helping less privileged people, and we are helpful that uh, these entrepreneurs have the enthusiasm to work in the rural areas also. So this is the social ventures. Next is the software. So India's software exports are likely to rise and projected 13 to 15% to hit 57 billion by March 2011. So with this largest boost of the software engineers, Indian entrepreneurs can set higher targets in the hardware and software development. Next is the engineering goods. So India continues to be one of the fastest growing exporters of engineering goods, growing at the rate of 30.1%. So the government has target 110 billion by 2014, and in the current data, the government has achieved that target to nearby 108 billion. So engineering goods is the on the boom in demand for the products from engineering as industry. Woman as an entrepreneur. See, the era of the today's woman or a today woman is much more politically and socially active. So the most obvious of the entrepreneurship or a startup company has to be stayed with the patience. So many of the women have succeeded as a successful entrepreneur in launching those products that were being using from the years, but the novelty has been justified by the many women entrepreneurs.